A big setback indeed to BJP petitioner on Taj Mahal. Allahabad High Court has now rejected the petition for opening 22 rooms of the monument. The court has said, let historians decide the truth behind Taj Mahal. Earlier, the court has slammed the petitioner, asking not to make a mockery of the PIL system. Petitioner has stated before two-judge bench that citizens deserve to know the truth. Henceforth, allow him to go and unravel what's inside those locked rooms. However, the bench has now taken a dig at him, saying that tomorrow he might even ask permission to take a look inside what's inside the court's chambers. It said that an order for performing a specific statutory duty only gets issued when any rights have been infringed. The petition has also been filed in the Lucknow bench of the Allahabad High Court, and it asks the ASI to examine all those 22 rooms of the monumental site to check for any presence of Hindu idols. The petitioner claims of some historians and Hindu groups about the mausoleum actually behind having a temple right at that site.
याचिका दी है जो मैंने उसमें बहुत सिंपल सी मांग रखी है कि उन जो 22 कमरे हैं जो विवाद के केंद्र हैं, समय समय पे उन्हीं कमरों को लेकर विवाद होता रहता है। वही 22 कमरे, जो भी 22 कमरे हैं उसके नीचे क्या है एक बार सामने कर दीजिए। मैं तो बहुत सिंपल सी मांग कर रहा हूँ। ना मैं इस मांग को लेकर गया हूँ कि शिव मंदिर है, ना मैं इस मांग को लेकर गया हूँ कि वो तेजो महल है, ना मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि मैं इससे भी इनकार नहीं कर रहा हूँ कि ताजमहल नहीं है। मैं कह रहा हूँ कि ठीक है, जो भी चीजें हैं मुझे उसकी कोई प्रश्न नहीं उठाना है। बस मेरी बात इतनी सी है कि वो जो 22 कमरे हैं उसको एक बार सार्वजनिक कर दिया जाए, क्योंकि विवाद वो सदा के लिए खत्म हो जाए।
Across to Santosh Sharma joining us from Lucknow, who's been tracking those developments. Santosh, while on one hand you had the Varanasi court upholding the plea on the Gyanvapi controversy, here on the other hand Taj Mahal's plea has been struck down by the Allahabad High Court, asking those petitioners not to try and fiddle with what the historians believe is the truth.
Definitely the petition filed before the High Court Lucknow bench regarding the opening of Taj Mahal 22 rooms closed from the last many times. The petition filed before the Lucknow bench is rejected by the bench, and they have especially concluded that don't make the mockery of the PIL system, first thing, and second thing, they clearly mentioned that this is not the issue to be put before the court. It should be a debatory thing, that what was there in the 22 closed rooms in the Taj Mahal. This is the finding which High Court Lucknow bench before listening the case, before listening this petition has found and rejected the four players petitioner filed before the Lucknow bench.
Right, you know, Santosh, are those petitioners now going to seek any relief from a higher court? We know that in Varanasi court, the Muslim committee who handles the Gyanvapi mosque is now going to take the case to a higher court. Will we see the same case here as well in the Taj Mahal case?
We have asked the petitioner what will be the next step after rejection from the High Court Lucknow bench. They are rigid that they will appeal to the Supreme Court for this petition. Before that, they will write the letter to the concerning departments of Union Ministry and also to the ASI and the historians, so that they can get the answer. And after that, the petition will be filed before the Supreme Court also.
Thank you very much for joining us. Let me cut across to Aishwarya Paliwal, who's also been tracking the story right from outside the Taj Mahal. Aishwarya, a big setback to the petitioners who were seeking to open up those 22 doors that we see locked inside the Taj Mahal. The court now outrightly striking down their plea, saying today you're going to ask to open up doors of Taj Mahal, tomorrow you might ask me to open up my chambers doors.
Well, definitely, we did see the court coming down very heavily on those who had filed the PIL. In fact, the court also gave personal examples, spoke about the fact that today you are asking us to make sure that you have come to us asking us to pass an order through which the 22 doors in the Taj Mahal, they will be open tomorrow. There might be someone who might come and say that now we want to see what's happening within the chambers of the judges. There might be a PIL. Do not make a mockery of the PIL. The court also said that whether something is inside Taj Mahal or not is something which is which can take place not in the court. It is something which can be sorted outside the court, very clearly giving all these things. But let me tell you, some of the people are very disheartened. Some people say that they will go to the Supreme Court also. अभी ये जो याचिका है ये खारिज कर दी गई है. आप लोगों का मानना था, जिन लोगों ने याचिका डाली थी उनका ये कहना था कि भाई इसके अंदर जो है 22 कमरे हैं और उसके अंदर कुछ पाया जाएगा. तो आप लोगों को लगता है कि आस्था के साथ आप लोगों को दुख है कि जो याचिका को जिस तरीके से हटा दिया गया है?
नहीं, दुख तो है ही. इसको ऐसे खारिज नहीं करना चाहिए था. जांच होने के बाद अपने आप सच्चाई सामने आ जाती. कोर्ट ने ये निर्णय लिया है, ये ठेस पहुंचाने वाला निर्णय है हिंदुओं के साथ, और ये लड़ाई यहीं पे हम खत्म करने वाले नहीं है. अभी हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाएंगे, ऊपर जाएंगे और इस लड़ाई को आगे हम जारी रखेंगे और हिंदुओं के बीच में जाएंगे. जिस तरह से हमने राम मंदिर का फैसला लिया, जो सच्चाई सामने आई, इसी तरह हम ये इस मंदिर का भी, ये अपना तेजो महल है, इसकी हम सच्चाई सामने लाते हैं, जिस पर ताजमहल खड़ा कर.
तेजो महल अभी भी आप कह रहे हैं ताजमहल नहीं है, ये तेजो महल है.
हम मरते दम तक इसको तेजो महल ही कहेंगे, क्योंकि हम सच देखे हैं इनमें. आज तक आप देखोगे, आपको हम लेके जाएंगे तो ऊपर सारे सच हिंदुओं के पक्ष में. एक तो जमुना जी के किनारे भोले बाबा का, जहां भी हमारे मंदिर है वहां पे भोले बाबा की पिंडी होती है. जमुना जी, गंगा जी, कोई भी चले जाओ, सरजी घाट पर हाँ भोले बाबा होते हैं. वहीं पे आप अंदर जाओगे, जो इसको कब्र बताते हैं शाहजहां की पत्नी, लेकिन वो कब्र नहीं है, वो भोले बाबा की पिंडी है. उनको भी इग्नोर करके और ये खारिज कर दिया. बड़े दुख की बात है, लेकिन इसको हम यहीं छोड़ने वाले नहीं है. हम
So definitely, you know, some of the people here, those who are the locals of Agra, they believe that this, what you see, they don't call it Taj Mahal. They say it is Tejo Mahal, and this they believe is a temple of Lord Shiva.